Yogini channel. I have a very special content for you guys. For this content to be made, I need Akansha. So she is our special guest. She's my friend Akansha from Assam.
Hello, I'm Akanksha. I'm from Assam. So today I'm going to not actually teach, but we are going to
Teach
experience Bihu dance together.
Yay! I'm going to learn Bihu dance today. I am so excited because I saw my friends dancing Bihu and I was always like, oh my god, that's so beautiful and it's so fun. That joy I could feel from Bihu dance, but unfortunately I couldn't learn. But very fortunately today I can learn it finally from Akansha. So Akansha, did you learn Bihu since you were a kid?
Not actually. I learned Bihu since I was a kid, but I kind of learned Bihu when I was in 6th or 7th standard from one of my aunt. So that aunt is my mom's best friend. So she, during her time, used to be Bihu Kori. Bihu Kori means one of the famous dancer or like a prominent dancer, Bihu dancer, you can say. Okay, and Bihu, I want to tell, like for people who doesn't know, many people knows, I know, but I want to say that Bihu is actually a folk dance based on spring season or the Bihu festival, which is like related to agriculture as well as the life of the common folk of Assam.
Oh wow!
So that is what I want to tell you.
So this Bihu is, then we can call it like Assamese folk dance.
Yeah, we can say that, yeah.
Yay! So today I'm going to experience something from Assam through Akanksha. So I'm very happy. So what we're going to do today is I'll learn some basic steps of Bihu from her. If we can, we will try to incorporate it with a song. So let's begin! So now we are going to learn some basic movements of Bihu, and those of you who want to learn, you can join us right now, okay? How to say let's dance together in Assamese?
Bola ekeloge sobe nasu.
Bola
ekeloge sobe nasu.
Nasu. Bola ekeloge sobe nasu.
First step, which is like our pelvic bone and our waist should, you know, up and down. It's like this. Yeah, it's happening. Yeah. So you can little bit move while doing this. Yeah, it's happening.
Okay.
So one point, don't break your knees.
Yeah.
So knees will be like fixed, not fixed, but try to like keep it fixed. But your waist should move, like your pelvic bone should move up and down. Yeah, it's happening. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So without the knees bending,
without
only
knees
the
bending, yeah.
pelvic.
See, nowadays people are, you know, kind of changing a little bit, modern Bihu and the old Bihu. So people are mixing different types of steps. So there is nothing wrong and right. So I am teaching her what I have learned. So
ঠিক আছে
so this is one, and now the hand movement. The pelvic movement is constant. And along with that, the hand movement.
Can we show the hand movement a little bit?
So it's like this.
One.
It's like a butterfly moving. Yeah, it's happening. Yeah. So we can move. Yeah, we do this.
1, 2, 3,
4. So hands will be like it should be closed. Okay, when the boys dance, they kind of keep the hands open. But when the girls they dance, they keep it closed. It looks more sensuous and like more graceful,
more feminine.
More feminine. Yeah. You can say. So there is another movement we can do. That is this. See, the hands will be closed like this. Close, open. Yeah. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ekটু move the hand.
Here.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Oh,
আরেকটা করব
this is tough.
Yeah, this is like it took me kind of like 10 weeks workshop to literally learn this thing.
Oh,
but
wow.
she is into dancing, so she's picking up so fast. I'm so proud.
Yeah.
So another which is like this chest movement. Okay,
Oh.
pelvic is constant.
Oh.
Okay, pelvic you know you're breaking the pelvic bone.
Yeah.
That is there.
Okay.
Along with that, chest. And smile is very constant. In Bihu,
I was
smile
getting so
is
conscious about the movement that. Oh, let's go near.
yeah. এটা করো.
Oh wow, that's so pretty. Oh.
আবার নিচে নিয়ে আসো.
হচ্ছে না, উল্টো হচ্ছে.
Do yeah.
What? Wait.
1, 2.
1,
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
1, 2. Okay. And then what do you do?
তারপরে ধরো এটা করলে আবার.
My movement is going opposite.
কর. Yeah.
2, 3, 4.
ভিতরে ঢোকাই. 1,
1,
2. 1, 2. Yes, yes. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ever keep your hands in the pelvic bone.
Okay.
This portion.
Okay.
Like kind of give a force here,
Huh.
so that it becomes easier for you to, you know,
Feel
feel
the movement.
the movement. Yeah. Yeah. So I want to tell you
Oh,
one
wow.
more thing.
Yes.
In Bihu, it's like because it's related to the spring festival. So while doing Bihu, hali jali, we use the word hali jali means move like how a tree moves. You know,
Oh.
like how a tree blows along with the air
Okay.
of the spring.
Uh-huh.
So that is very constant. Like you have to.
So you become the tree through the dance.
Yeah, you have to feel it. It will come
Wow.
when you feel.
Oh wow. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is also like beginning of the Bihu. We start it with slow
Hali
melody.
jali.
Yeah, hali jali.
Hali jali.
Yeah.
Yay.
She's picking up so fast.
Oh, this is so beautiful. And we are already having a cardio. Oh, so tough.
Yeah. And we are sweating.
Yes.
Like,
Do you want us to dance with the song? I think it's a yes, right?
we are assuming it's a yes,
Yes.
because we want to dance.
Which song are we dancing to?
So we are dancing in a song called Kande Dhanes Pokhi.
Aw.
So the meaning of the word Dhanes Pokhi is the hornbill bird,
Oh.
which is a very important bird for Assam.
Oh.
Because in Kaziranga, you can see a lot of hornbill birds,
Oh.
Dhanes Pokhi. So as I have said, Bihu is related to spring and the nature. So you will get to hear, you know, Kopo full means orchid,
Uh-huh.
you know, love. And birds, different kinds of bird song. Kuli means cuckoo, and Dhanes Pokhi is the hornbill bird. So many things are, you know, related to nature. Nature, love, you know,
Yeah.
and sensuousness. It's a mixture of all these things.
Oh wow. Let's do it. So today I'll just follow her. I'll mimic whatever she does and I'll try to dance along behind her. And we are planning to actually make a proper Bihu dance video when our friend Dona comes back. She's out for work. So when she returns back to Shantiniketan, we'll do that, right?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Very
Like,
soon.
Perfect Bihu,
Yeah.
like video.
Let's not call it perfect, but we'll try our
It's
best.
perfect is like we three will be there and we'll be in the land of Shantiniketan, land of culture, and we are
Yay.
experiencing something different.
Something new, yes.
So it'll be perfect.
Yay! Then, so today, please don't mind if I make some mistakes. Let us enjoy together with Kande Dhanesh Pokhi Bihu.
Bihu. Yeah.
Bhalo pronunciation?
Kande Dhanes Pokhi.
Kande Dhanesh Pokhi
Yeah.
Bihu.
Bihu.
Yay!
ওই দেহি কোনায় সেনায় মোনা ওই ও খদায় করি থাকে মনে
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Very good.
Oh my god, that was so funny. I just saw my dance and it was like, oh.
But guys, I know you guys will also accept that being dancing at the first day, she's doing awesome. Like really awesome. I'm so proud of my student.
Yeah, but I'll practice properly because today was the first time I tried these movements. So forgive my weirdness, but anyways, I really enjoyed. I could feel the joy of Bihu dance. So thank you so much, my teacher.
Welcome. It's my pleasure. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to her channel, Luna Yogini. So guys, wait for the next video along with our friend BFF Donna Bose.
Okay, bye. And how do you say I love you? 사랑해 in Assamese.
মই তোমাক বহুত ভাল পাওঁ.
মই তোমাক বহুত ভাল পাওঁ. ভাল পাওঁ?
ভাল পাওঁ.
Oh, মই